This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Ethan Simpson. Located on the Coronado Golf Course, this wonderful home is ready to be yours. Come sit around the gas fireplace in the well-spaced living room. Enjoy cooking in the large kitchen with plenty of counter space. 2 spare bedrooms at the opposite side of the master bedroom, which is set up perfectly with a large bathroom and closet. With the property surrounded by 2 vacant lots, you can enjoy a private backyard that backs up to the golf course. Schedule your showings today. For more information, review the details below or contact Ethan Simpson at 501-463-3633.